Nature. Nature is beautiful. Nature fills us with pleasure and a sense of health and well-being. But more than anything, nature is also powerful and can even be dangerous. It is in this balance that we experience the power of nature. Imagine if we harness this power in a range of natural, highly effective, and completely safe cleaning products. Diversey Care introduces SURE, a new line of cleaning and personal care products made from plant-based ingredients from renewable resources. 100% biodegradable, highly effective. The power of nature, yet perfectly safe for your customers, your employees, your brand, and the environment. SURE, the safe choice for efficacy, from the experts you trust.